In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to uninstall apps on your Android phone. Whether you want to free up storage, remove apps you no longer use, or improve your device's performance, these methods make the process quick and easy. Let's get started. Method 1. Uninstall from the home screen or app drawer. First, locate the app you want to remove from your home screen or inside your app drawer. Touch and hold the app icon for a couple of seconds until a menu appears. Tap Uninstall, then confirm by tapping OK. The app will be completely removed from your device along with most of its stored data. Keep in mind that some phones also display a remove option. Choosing Remove only deletes the app shortcut from your home screen. It does not uninstall the app. The application will still be installed and available in your app drawer. Method 2. Uninstall through device settings. Open the Settings app on your Android phone and scroll down to Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your device. Select the app you want to delete from the list. Tap Uninstall at the bottom of the screen, then tap OK to confirm. This method is especially useful if you can't find the app icon or if the app isn't responding properly. Method 3. Delete multiple apps at once. If you want to remove several apps at the same time, open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then choose Manage Apps and Device and open the Manage tab. Select all the apps you want to remove by checking the boxes next to their names. Finally, tap the trash can icon in the top right corner and confirm your selection. This is the fastest way to clean up your phone and free up valuable storage space. That's it. Pick the method that works best for you and keep your Android clutter-free. Like this video, subscribe for more helpful tips, and thanks.